Now, Fissures, among the cartel of the world's largest oil exporters, are threatening to derail an agreement to regulate global supplies of crude. OPEC and its allies had expected to reach a deal to raise output by 400,000 barrels per day in monthly installments between August and December, but they've been unable to agree on how much production each country is allowed to add over this period. The United Arab Emirates says the cartel has unfairly limited its quota below the country's historic contributions to global supplies, but Saudi Arabia and Russia are reportedly adamant that all countries must continue to stick to the same formula that's been employed by OPEC Plus since the onset of the pandemic. Now, Naeem Aslam is the Chief Market Analyst at AvaTrade. He says OPEC Plus will want to resolve this dispute to keep its market share in the world's oil market.
I think the key word that you have used in your discussion earlier is the coordinated action, right? So they've already had a very good history of that. And then market players are still very much optimistic that going forward, we will see this as well, perhaps if not today, by tomorrow. But if you look at that oil market, you can clearly see that oil prices are trading at 2.5-year high. One important thing that we all need to keep in mind is that as long as the oil prices remain anchored, or especially at the current level, this makes oil production immensely profitable for US crude oil to come on the market at a much rapid pace. And I'm sure OPEC wants to address that issue.